Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use fish oil for bodybuilding. Fish oil is a powerful supplement, rich in omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA. These essential fats are vital for reducing inflammation throughout your body, which is incredibly beneficial after intense workouts. By understanding its proper use, you can enhance your recovery, support muscle growth, and improve overall athletic performance. Let's dive into how to effectively integrate it into your regimen. For bodybuilders, fish oil offers several key advantages. Its potent anti-inflammatory properties help significantly reduce post-workout muscle soreness, allowing for quicker recovery. This means you can get back to training harder, sooner. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids are believed to support protein synthesis, which is essential for repairing and building new muscle tissue. Plus, they contribute to healthier joints, a major benefit when you're consistently lifting heavy weights. Determining the right dosage is crucial for maximizing benefits. Most bodybuilders aim for 2 to 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA per day. It's often best to split this into 2 or 3 smaller doses throughout your day, rather than taking it all at once. Always take your fish oil with meals. This not only improves absorption of the fat-soluble omega-3s, but also helps prevent any potential stomach discomfort or fishy aftertaste. When selecting a fish oil supplement, prioritize quality. Look for brands that offer third-party testing to ensure purity and potency, free from heavy metals and contaminants. Check the label for a high concentration of both EPA and DHA, as these are the active ingredients providing the benefits. Remember, investing in a good supplement is investing in your health and gains. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.